What's up, guys? I am back with another video, and we are finally going to be working on the Apache again. It's been a little bit of time. Torque converter and flex plate bolts, and we're going to put those in. I completely forgot putting those in the first place when I put in the engine, so we're going to have to crawl under there and try to get that fixed. And then we're going to try to figure out how to open up the steering column, or try to figure out which wires do what on the not ignition solenoid. The key. I forgot the exact name. Okay. We just put in the torque converter bolts. It's time for the actual wiring piece. Alright, guys. I found the wiring harness. Take off the jacket again. Fucking. What's going on now? Okay. I found a wiring harness. What is this? Alright. This comes with a nice relay too. Nice. Oh, there's a couple relays on it. Nice. I think that's actually just enough relays for what I'm trying to do. My jaw just popped. That didn't feel good. Okay. So we're gonna have to figure out a way how to wire this all up. So I want to wire it up so at least it's kind of clean, you know? Doesn't have to be crazy. Alright. I would like to put it like somewhere like right here, you know? But the one problem is it has brackets like this where it's just straight. And I can't really do anything about that, to be honest. I wouldn't be able to put it against anything because the wires are on the way. So it's either make a bracket, try to figure it out from there, something like this. No ball peen hammer. Then it's not pretty. It'll work. That's what I want. Yeah. Okay. Well, we'll just hold on to this right now. This time we're gonna take apart one of the carburetors. We'll just look at, because I have two. We're gonna figure out something. Open up. Oh, I think all these bolts are spoiled up. That's not good. Maybe we can get this flathead in there. Yeah, there we go. Back it out like 2 turns. Or is 1 full turn? Okay. I think the choke really just might be shot, to be honest. Because this should be closed, right? This should be closed, but it's not closed for some reason. And I always thought that this moves the choke, but it's not doing that right now. Okay, I'm gonna spray this whole thing down. Back to the table. So I took off the choke assembly. Here is the spring, right? And now we're to the choke part. See right here? This controls the choke. So we want it all the way back here for now, so we could actually adjust it. So now the question is, how are we going to put the spring back on? Maybe the spring just undid itself at some point. I don't know. I really do not know. Why is it so confusing? Why? Huh. Okay. Listen, I never really fucked with Holley carburetors before. Don't know if you guys can tell. I've always used Elderbrox. Yeah. I mean, see if the carburetor is decent, because I mean, it's pretty in time. So if the carburetor is at all okay, which it should be, I hope, then it should start up. I hope. I hope. I hope. Let's think. Let's thunk it a little bit, guys. Okay. I don't think I got any spark. That's why. Okay. Let's see. Wow. Don't know if y'all heard that. I hope you guys heard that. That shit was pretty awesome. Not gonna lie. So, I mean, I guess the carb should work for now. I mean, I don't want to run a 390 CFM carburetor on this, but it also means I could drive this to work and get decent gas mileage, probably better than the vet. All right. Yeah, guys. Well, it starts. It does start in there. It should be good. I don't know much about Holley carburetors. Probably gonna be doing a lot of research after this video. And trust me, it's gonna look a lot better soon-ish. No promises that it's gonna look better fast, but it's getting there, guys. That's the main. That's the main part. But I'm definitely gonna have to get the alternator hooked up before this battery dies, because I don't know how many starts I'm gonna have left out of this if I just keep hitting it. So yeah, till the next time.